Crash Course Physics. Today we'll be talking about gasoline engines.
Found in cars, lawnmowers, and airplanes, and other devices, gasoline engines are internal combustion engines. This means that gasoline explodes inside your engine to create power to move your beloved Prius.
Let's go over the parts of an engine. The cylinder is a space where fuel goes and where it is compressed and eventually burned. The piston moves up and down the cylinder to compress the gasoline. The crankshaft is connected to the piston by a connecting rod. It converts the up and down motion of the piston into rotary motion. The camshaft is connected to the crankshaft by a belt or gear, and it operates the valves that open to let gasoline in and exhaust out of the cylinder. The spark plug is an electrical device, and it ignites the fuel in the cylinders.
The four-stroke cycle is the process by which gasoline is used as fuel to power a vehicle. The first step in the cycle is the intake stroke. The piston starts at the top of the cylinder and moves down as the intake valve opens to let the cylinder fill with an air and gasoline mixture. So the piston, this thing, will move down. This valve will open, letting in a mixture of air and gasoline right here.
The second step is the compression stroke. The piston moves back up the cylinder to compress the fuel and air mixture. The more compressed it is, the more powerful the explosion will be. The piston moves back up the cylinder to compress the fuel and air mixture.
Step is the combustion stroke. When the piston reaches the top of the cylinder, the spark plug creates a spark to ignite the gasoline. The gas in the cylinder explodes, forcing the piston down again. When the piston reaches the top of the cylinder, compressing the mixture of air and gasoline, then the spark will ignite the mixture and it'll explode and it'll force the piston back down.
Lastly comes the exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve opens when the piston gets to the bottom to let the exhaust get out of the tailpipe. When the piston gets to the bottom of the cylinder after the explosion, the exhaust valve will open to let the exhaust out through the tailpipe of your car.
This is the equation for horsepower, which is force times velocity divided by 33,000. To find the efficiency of an engine, you divide the energy output by the energy input multiplied by 100. What is the horsepower of a Prius traveling at a speed of 50 feet per minute? A Prius weighs 30,042 pounds. So first we will plug in the force, which is 3,042 pounds, multiplied by the velocity, divided by 33,000, which equals 4.61 horsepower.
Thank you for watching Crash Course Physics. We'll see you next week.